So these solar panels are from a company called Newpowa. I'm putting a 100-watt on the front part of the roof, and then on the sides around the AC unit, I'm putting these little 30 watts, so I'll have 160 watts to start with. To do that, I'm actually making little brackets out of angled aluminum that these will bolt to, and then they'll sit across my roof rack. Okay, so the solar system is up and running. I have 3 Newpowa solar panels on the roof. There's a 100-watt sitting about right here, a 30-watt on either side of the ceiling fan, so that gives me 160 watts total right now, and eventually I'll probably put another 100 or 120 behind it. So the solar does come through the port right here. That wire runs across the ceiling and over, and it comes down through the sidewall here, and then into my sidewall box. It plugs direct into the solar controller, and then from the solar controller it goes out to the bus bars, which go to the batteries. But it goes through a 30 amp circuit breaker, so I can disconnect that quickly if needed just by pushing a button. Now you'll notice that the solar charger is blinking right now. That is because it is not generating enough solar to charge the batteries, so it's indicating that it is working, it is operational, but we just don't have the sunlight right now. So should be good to go here. Now we just got to get through the winter.